I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside Word. Immediately open File, then Account to access Office theme. Choose the black or dark gray theme to flip the interface. This affects ribbon, panes, and background. Once done, make sure Word is updated so theme options are present. Use Update options if not. You're taking the first actionable steps. Set the Office theme and confirm updates, because an outdated build often hides dark mode choices and causes inconsistent behavior across devices. Now you'll change Document Display. Go to File, Options, General, then Personalize and pick dark gray or black to alter UI and page canvas. If text appears reversed, use Disable Dark Mode for content to keep page white while UI is dark. Once done, experiment with view options, read mode versus print layout, to see contrast differences. This step balances readability and eye comfort, because Office separates interface theming from actual document colors. Finish by restarting Word so the theme applies consistently across open documents and secondary windows. Small glitches clear after a reboot. If images or colored charts invert unexpectedly, toggle Disable Dark Mode for content to preserve original document appearance. If problems persist, update graphics drivers or run an Office repair from Control Panel. These fixes address rendering bugs. Remember, testing Print Preview ensures your printed output matches expectations once you've enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.